In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pauses in Elevenlabs. This is a really useful skill to have, especially when you're trying to create voiceovers or synthetic voices that sound more natural and less mechanical. Pauses can help convey the right emotion, emphasize important points, and even mimic how we naturally speak, which is critical for creating an engaging audio experience. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Elevenlabs dashboard. When you're there, look for the option that says Text-to-Speech. This is your starting point for creating spoken word from written text, and it's where you'll be able to add all the little nuances that make your speech sound authentic. Now, once you're on the text-to-speech page, you'll want to enter your text. This is where you type out the script or content you want to convert into speech. As you type, remember that the way you punctuate your text will determine where pauses occur in the generated speech. To introduce a pause, you can end a sentence with a period or include ellipses or commas within or at the end of a sentence. Each one creates a slightly different effect, so let's quickly break them down. A period, or a full stop, is one of the most straightforward ways to introduce a pause. It's typically used at the end of a sentence. This adds a natural break in speech and allows the listener to process the information before moving on to the next point. If you want a longer pause, consider using ellipses. These three dots can add a more dramatic pause, giving the impression of suspense or contemplation. It's perfect for storytelling and emphasizing a particular moment. On the other hand, using a comma introduces a brief, subtle pause, similar to when you're taking a quick breath. This can help separate ideas within a sentence, maintaining the flow while providing enough of a break for clarity. After you've typed out your text with the appropriate punctuation, you're ready to generate your speech. Simply click on the Generate Speech button. This action initiates the text-to-speech process where Elevenlabs will analyze your input and convert it into an audio file. The software uses your punctuation to naturally incorporate pauses and inflections where needed, making your speech sound like it was spoken by a real person. Remember, experimenting with punctuation can also influence how the generated speech sounds, so feel free to adjust your text to suit your particular needs. You can always tweak the punctuation and regenerate the speech until it sounds just right. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively add pauses in Elevenlabs, making your voiceover projects more dynamic and expressive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.